Hello Ghana for Ekuonaba Edibaye inside GHTV. Abusia me so ba no me subscribe button. Yes. Abusia ejebi darego social media no so. Na nadu Berchie na ba bontia wa betu bi ediaman eye Ekuonaba na abusia nsem na be kan fa Ekuonaba ho no. De na nadu Berchie pese o chiri na ne se. Ekuonaba ebe kan se mi efa eye prophet Beduko bi ho na o kan sansem no o de eye reverend osu bempa so din ebe fremu. Ana chese eye na nadu Berchie pese o chire se Ekuonaba enya na sofo no na chese o twabo omo a emane mfa reverend osu bempadi emefra nya sa paade a nsebo be ka fa reverend osu bempa no ebe ma ono so kwan amana ba betena social media no so wan fo no aho asema amba ode ne yera se meba na so ode ne maame ana ne papa na busuani bia din ebe ba betena social media no so apensen a kire Ghana fo ehu dewi a osi eye demon ana oye devil e social media no so a ono aye na anyo se opese obegu asofo no adwuma na nsem ni na ne se prophet Beduko bi ekoka nsemi efa ye Black Stars World Cup ye koye no kohye nkombi a chese Ekuonaba pese o chese nkomhye no bebre ambem a chese o twabo asofo Ghana ha o de reverend osu bempa edin ebemo na chese na nadu Berchie bu antwoso a chese ono so aba betutu bi ediamane Ekuonaba no wie no o de kakra emane Bigscout efa ntokwa bi a Bigscout ne Natina TV anasa apostle entry ewo social media no so na bisu me konya kwakwe sa nsem ni na ba me show me subscribe button no ne me abon na won chain like video na fa kire wadwen comment section na bibia enya kama abusia yenkone yenkohye tese na nanu Berchie wasoja otutu bi ediaman Ekuonaba ofre Ekuonaba so ye demon o he devil pa tese washada aba opese ose asofo bibiri adwuma na mpokra no sa asofo no bi faker omo mfa so kra esen Ekuonaba no nti yebusu yenkone na nadu Berchie ni nsema obeka ede afa Ekuonaba ho ye ba yebeto aso
se na me hwe me bra Bigscout na one Natina banta bia ba omontem se Bigscout o kwa ko defend obi a dipa na o kwa ko defend no there's nothing wrong with it. Absolutely amazing. But Uncle Natina ni dipa na wasem emfa so fo usu bempa mefra na otuana o ka bibisa hai na Natina say ono ba gara na ko ba hwe papa achia no na den oboa. You can't lie. Me masem ya no krepe. What you have a video marker say one can't change so papa. There are a lot of people that have wanted me maketamo me jai say me di papa usu bempa ho. It is a nun to both me are fine. The reason is that me makube kuta me ba me makube kuta. Bible says suju je be bo but ye be nam su be no onwie say me do ko papa no ho no che be nam me do ko so ama wo ha oni amane papa no so I will not do it. I just a wakama kuma. I'm a mom say we in papa pass and I'm the wako. Maybe you may be Uncle Natina taste us, but me, I'm a kind of like that. Me no chat to her. Voice note now, and now can say any the next time is there. And now wouldn't send up a so big papa. Meanwhile, you are telling me all the time because who will be come to quiet. Why you so okasama papa? Why? You see that genuine loveness. Oh, depend so. And maybe Uncle Natina be nyamiasem. I treat papa na yene die. No, you're possible, right? But not the only apostle. I'm not in the shoes of anybody to judge somebody. But say na see a person bia. Ye masu bia mra. Na ye na ye magana nkona nim. And you're fine. My cousin, you a long time. You are my brother, I will not lie. Maybe I know because of common and no. Maybe you understand me more being said, no being time. Now, me all what got to say. Watch the microphone that I'm a day after me preaching. Me need bonia here. Or call a power, papa, ye na doye. Come on, beautiful. Me all what got to say and catch us a bugger. Matessa who cast a papa. Akojit said he say si friend padi ho and he confided in me say enya no kre I didn't know what some trust no di papa ne mu say when I know say he knows it is not true but he sees it as a game and you kuni pani mu say no your baby cool let's stop all these things and move forward I don't mean yes I am no and na matata be kasa me ko biem krobia me ko biem e nya nkrofo na ho we se afi obi Melchizedek na ho afi na mo power aba a mo ba be kasa yesum brebre o ne kasa mu wa mo fi enko papa na mo di manesi ne so no munya yo munya se ya kan nyame asam de kire mo enya tabidie kwase ne aboa biem obi ti se Melchizedek to meet na se no aka owusu be mpa no owusu be mpa na no meti yeso ti restaurant ka ultimate to so to fam restaurant ka wo obi owusu be mpa se ni suba ne seso obusuo mu a Ekuonaba tenase a se wo ka sofo na se no ka sofo owusu be mpa se ma ne ho nto no wo si asofo de yakronfo because wo mo adada nkofo na nyeska wo so de wo ye de wo ye kronfo wo so de nkofo nsem na do YouTube page na wo nyeska ana nkofo obusuo pani meka na asem ka ho ne beti. My brothers, you find the crowd to be there. Say, oh, but guy, you're honest. I can't even be a waka behind scenes at Tremia. Say, Muso or Casafa, baby, quite an SIM one. And the man be slow, Nipa. May I dear mean to mean Cano, what you mean Cano, and the mean to mean Cano, and mean Cano, what you. That is me. Loyalty would do a chair when you're there. So I know I have pressed now a fool. I have bread, bro, said by me, to mean Cano, great da. Speak truth to power. That is my motto. Me must force me back. I'm on me plan. I mean, so we change and me the baby da. Don't say I'm by. I'm a parent on both phone. Buff you man because I was a cassette another. I never did that. Some near be a bugger because I say, Nana. Me say you good papa you good a man can do one no papa I don't believe them. Then the next minute only a man can do a rapport on Facebook. How do I see you? Or they catch me. I wish I could talk to these people. Say, look, why don't you speak truth to power? Why don't you liberate and emancipate yourself from this satanic slavery on this media? Because yet now we've been violent. We've done what we have done what we must do on this social media. But what did they come to? To naught. We defended the corpse, a man that knew nothing. They defended Obi innocent of many crimes and accusations. Obi sorry, Papa na mere me bada. Obi sorry, on the bomb. Obi sorry, a whole lot of nonsense. And we came to the scene because ye business hand your money be see. He said, then your problem. Papa Usman Payatana no kasa dio. Yanti no kasa from any open. Why don't we just let things be? Where to ba? Oh, Jayama, who sang for phone number? My brother, Bigscout, I respect you. You know I respect you so much. But what you mean can't tell me say, and you're not pressing back and another person, papa. It is not true. Because I make a first time conversation about Obeka said I did not confide in our relation. I respect that. But what is wrong admitting some other person, papa? What is wrong with it? What is wrong if I decide to go and see Atagrada? What is wrong with that? Who are you trying to please on the internet? Why? And because of followers and viewers, we have become blatant liars, pompotically proud and mesmerizingly arrogant. We don't speak the truth. Why? Me can't draw. Now, most of them can be able to prove that. But we here. And when I say, and I saw folks, man, Panabo be pa. Don't so phone ketwa obo one man on baby or the papa de me FM but who did them ko FM or so started them you man start here why person me disrespect you and now disrespect me papa Natina Mami Ngigi King Tulip all these people here. Even me, to the enemies that speak against Papa, I don't have a problem with you. But be very careful. I will say this on authority. Papa Mobia Pada. The genesis of Obia talk on Facebook, we know about it. So Papa will be born a person on Casantu be a man because men are a bear more. So for matata because so for matata be anymore. So for Krobia, I don't know what's a papa. A just uncle fool a cobo an outsider pa se ko kasa tubi. I didn't obey your free. me de me sre wade mamo munsua de na munyai mutwa so na mo nantima kwaye mu abusua mu o mawo epamocho mu o mawo abusua ese ni mo antumi watete ntoma papa na mo ye ne sa no to di no ohwebo na nse mi ko he caption bi ewo oni Natina na ekontokwa Bigscout my brother dem mo ye ne nya fine oni Natina ko no ne ntokwa because of whoever you are defending obian ka say defend obi o se owusu be mpa blogger o se oba every wusu ya wine blogger o ya wine blogger o no kurani see I see you retu obia on the perimeter of truth. This is your truth. You respect that. But when you Kofonia Sama, learn to deal with them personally and don't involve others. Because say oh papa will be finding man to come. Obi kofa papa o tie kurase and the same to come. Obeka so papa ni social media. Yes, because he chose not to be. And also just obi soon to me my social media so your papa. Ya ye be papa no. Ami e kasa all this one. Yen kasa bi. The afedi asem, what is the problem? I am old man assuming you know na. Na nwa mi tie Ekuonaba video bi oyeye. Ena asofo no mo hyenkom na mo nya papa. Ena wan sofo beduko bi owusu bempa. Esi. Chairman. Se sofo beduko bi akọ hyenkom ena amamu a. Eno kra no unyina so wo dey access ye den your whole problem una person wo access right una person kan wasem so for us be di be simu ye den aya na menti ase
omo ene ye mo spiritual fathers
tie
no omo say omo na oman no ehye omo sa mo na mo fro omo sa me de mi hu no omo sa
I don't know what this guy wants for men of God.
Omo ewo idea ne say Ghana for nyina eye jimifo omo so omo ya sofo no mum ne nim nyansa.
Look at that.
This ankofo no ekasa ewo say omo a ya ete Ghana ne ye ne tie de omo no kan.
Look at the brainwash. Oh baby was 33. He has an intense hatred for men of God. It will not see asofo na see omo mo Ghana fo nan eye jimi fo nto omo kasa omo no muntie me mo asofo bia kasa we na so dem Ekuonaba, I have dared you to declare your faith ukwa asoro we why na say wati why dey ukoye was our legal page so no why didn't you respond to it when I came live? You went quiet but you built a very strategic cartel on your page. What it also the people you want to involve and your evil manipulated agenda. Ekosi saying, "Ya can group of many ye bo say ya ti so for spend pan na ma. Afre ye jimi for le kwasiafo na your page so. Ekuonaba again na wo pafri asofo. Ya fa wo yire betu social media ne enka ne ho asem. Ana ye fa wo so papa mra. I don't get it. Ghana so funny Ghana before no oma your den. Do omonye papa wo mo no. Again na wo fiti no wani see obi ni basore so. Bebe no bofo asore so. Anoma ba kura nya asore no. Onyame che unyansa se. Enya kasa ye digu sofo onye papa asore yo. Ye de mpaibo. Muntie no.
Because omo ne nim nyansa eno mo kasa ne ye ni iti.
O se no kasa no.
Abranti on that screen shi kire se obehye bo ho nkom ne nyankopon ana ase na daje abeyi a kire no. Owie no anso ho a beduko bi so abeyi the same thing. No me nim adekonti nkofo da so te na so dem wo. Na de tin say won say omo de ehu no ahye nkofo no mu awi. It is very hard say nkofo no betimi ate omo ho ase. Say bebi omo nam no omo ya azan a omo ebu omo no matimi akofi akwakoda. Nti ehu no da so te omo so. And the more omo da so tete omo so dem wo aye hye omo ntro anopa awia anwumre no. Na say obedwara anopa atamo Bible say ukọ asore dem akoti nyankopon asem. Na abekwa akogina na football ho nkomo ne yebeba ache on the next anu odi yi pa.
Ekuonaba omo e omo ba asore dem mekanya mi asem. Dem do do say and I do my better platform so I assessment about my baso. Evil people always see evil. and good people always see good. Your friend is successful. I come and I'm passing on your papa. I'm not defending so for Bedukubi, but I'm the can be say Bedukubi or more preach on our show them. And yes, I did depend on what ball once. And I did be on one cup ball once and what I now saw them. And the other night days were preaching, you know, one could find me come once and more YouTube. So can you back on YouTube and just cancel to my yes. So he that 6 equity must come with clean. Say Bedukubi your papa there, you are equally not correct. So for now the video say or kasa no ashem controlling your papa there. So for the maybe a kemono one shem come preaching or TikTok. Now can was so the better kasa wait there. So for na Kenyans asem but all misconception of when you say aso for ni na your papa. No mo can be your papa or defo be your papa. And also the YouTube now peske go bottom. And the man we yare and no mamo muti because one can no or being physical and my show YouTube and my own yesika my unity. You have to be thankful to this fake man of God. Because this fake man of God are feeding you and your family.
Now, you be first video na me to so no. Abrante also was shem come say Black Star AB win no. Black Star be match no mo started with him paibo. Any ade. Ye nyam paibo na de bo match. Ti de me chere no. Ye the skills adwene ahoden ye the experience and a bobo. But Ghana for me brinani nyenya sa experience no mo nim sister na e spirit bi na e bobo no e de ma omo. Nti se wo ka asem na ontie de wo kan ye no wato ano de si boni because na adwene say the sofo ne mum ne wo so shem kom say bobo no abobo. E bo no amoko boy na mo lusu no. E mo sofo ne gu Ghana no. Ana ama mo lusu match no.
Look at that. Eric, and the Ghana Black Stars from my can say, I suffer when I don't be training. What is wrong with somebody training and praying? And the Ghana Black Stars for money, would you rate you on the pedigree? And yet, a time I work for the prophetic ministry. Ghana players, no, I'm going to catch us and pay and boy. What you are saying doesn't make sense. What was saying, dear whom I suffer the whom I should Ghana fool, but also the nada. On Facebook and YouTube. Well, I can tell you for a fact, say, every corner camp on and you'll be on a bonfire. You won't come for what in football as a coy druso. Why the catch us a Black Star players in now when you are so for the bonfire? Who may be Obiako? Ekuonaba technical team. And I'll coach you home say, Sanko for win now, woman training about trouble bonfire. You are just throwing dust in the eyes of people. Why? Yentiem asofo no so amose bo fan mose nkomfa bo muso be ha munyai you see you give these people the effrontery and the yesterday to speak against the body of Christ. Me one thing I said they say Portugal match Eric and then I'm show on Facebook see Ghana 3 bra match ben you win here no
South Korea.
Last match na day, you need Uruguay.
Yeah.
Now Dampem. Be honest with yourself, come. Me ba me bisa say Ghana be win na Ghana be. So now say Ghana be day.
See be win.
Mo be win. Na am say dey ni be si.
O say be share too.
Me ka say be share Ghana too. Enye nkom say na me show. Me come in same Bible, na me same steering. Ka be the true Facebook akobi. Empo Portugal match no. Obi be ka say I am careful with my words because they make it be an esi. But me say ball home come that because ube she player back home come back so be fair check or general no mane insuma dey asha bottom. Footballers on life is different. And for you to categorize the whole loose of Ghanaians based on a software no more no, you are just being evil. Because players they don't mean Christians. Tell it diabolically.
Nkosi GF ni hwan ne hwan. Asofo gu Ghana omo keka nsam to mutrim.
Look at that.
To mutrim a mo anfa ahoden ni nimdie. Any experience uncle Bobo no because Ghana sika na di twa muka musuma ko gina ho ana eti ba bi de obi hye nkom na ball no ekofa we na spirit bi bo we san spirit nsam na de bia meka ho asem a momfa me serious no ena akofa nsem we nyina de abesa anko fo mi na mebo mo videos yi
ti o pa no asem a okay a full grown man oh God. Sabi when you tell me, but me tia asema papa penimu Kenya. Eto asu. Okay, who is spirit ni no? Tio, or more dada or more. And tell the laugh at the old Sabbath blame spirit for their loss. Say spirit in what they are. They depend the spirit in the kind, it doesn't exist. Bob Ben and Ghana are more against you, grind. We also win. On the field of experience, so being said the penalty was saying, a dumping tip in the spirit. Where are the shots of war? But be I am the say, what was so for motion come any trauma kind in your own side? What will be you? Now, look at what you are coming to do here.
Tanko for we HDA, a problem, and Yami Masem. Intidia Abranti Ekai. Ghana match against Portugal. This is what is going to happen. Ghana will be the first Africa country that will get first win in this first run.
Dear friend, is the way I told you for only soon. How does that affect the match? Ekuonaba me Kenyans assembly chawatini. Odifa woni soon le nu masem e affect bibio. And remember we still time e we one analysis. Ko wa wo titum say nipa no to onu so oni soon dia. And an insem na e dey what impact on Ghana Black Stars. E a wodi be chichira so fo na. Say spirit na dey there. It doesn't make sense. I know the uncle, I don't pay.
Ghana will be the first nation or a first African nation that will get a win. Screen recorders, Muntie. Ghana will be the first. Listen, I will send 500 Ghana cedis if Ghana win 5,000. Hey, Karime, Librando say, okay, what do you say? Mamin come and send you. Me say Ghana, screen recorders, Muntie. Ghana will be the first African country that will get a first win.
And the Ekuonaba person say Ghana players need to akwawi and until no failure. Your assessment is wrong. Gentleman, you also say also a Sophie. I stand to be quiet. I don't know who he is. Two persons say Ghana Black Star for 8 years and until no moment to be a mobile no melusu. Come on, let's grow up.
From this first round matches, Ghana against Portugal, Ghana will win. Ghana match against Portugal, this is what is going to happen. Ghana will be the first Africa country that will get eti akwawe and I didn't care about one team share santro we no.
Oh, it's come up on YouTube keke. Your hunger for money to feed your family is to the extreme. Can you say we need time akwawe? Because what he said is baseless. And there's no need crafting the whole prophetic ministry with this. And the Korean in Comsha, one of them strategy we also shaman of them, never your own assessment. So Bigscout on YouTube, do that to YouTube. When you're 8.45k views, it will start 24. Ekuonaba, you should be thankful for them because they are feeding you and your family. Meanwhile, can it bitterly because as a winner, man come down come say. Meanwhile, we just not to find one among yes guy on YouTube. So without these fake prophets, you will never have money to eat. Come in here. Apart from YouTube, I will yes cow. Because so be my mate says when they come to Israel, Obi no word papa. Obi will chance him. That is what I was told. But fake men of God, no mama who swing yes guy. Ekuonaba. It was only a down That was some conformity. Maybe baby one can ye. Don't do that. So for us, we come if you have people to deal with them and leave the man out of your trouble. Tielo.
For the crowd also maybe na video number. Na omo free Facebook, any YouTube, na TikTok. Baby how you to know etian ko moji o mani kakra no.
Tienya TikTok e ma wo. Na also e be do 31st onfo binim e no obofo metna ho. Obi ni ma say obofo aye say we are say we nya papa Ekuonaba me say una na bi wo abusiam wo fa bi wo abusiam onye papa eya fo no so betena Facebook na ka na asem I don't know what just ankrofo no ho na ankrofo de na wo ka fa na abusiam nsem so bra na bloggers bi so nkai o papa bi ene wo fa bi convince bi no fa na asem bra na bloggers nya bi nka no mo so nya bi ni di na obi fum so ma waduane ma wo didi a ene ma wo fum so so ma obi so aduane ma ni me feed down kwati group ana wo pesa wo be collapse wo nyame adwuma no ana mu nse wo ye bronsam. You don't have a good spirit at all. When I bet 24 so, me think I will corner bank one can precaution or request you. Because your impact is less. And because I can most of us when pedim. I'm telling you, the pump because I game. But because I most of us when pedim, I'll come and address you. Maybe the next time, maybe the address so you oh mammy, oh papa, I will not insult them. But in some mechano, me from the floor catcher say, I don't know, yes, sir. Maybe I know those special tour and I'm wearing away, and wearing a 24 no number will be any. Almost share your 2 power number to YouTube. Now your assessment. I just will be as a mama. Nearly maybe original, but you couldn't even defend your own. Well, how truthful are you? How truthful are you? What do you mean? I will do a year see at 24 so. Even to them, they are better than you. I'm telling you. Make up honest truth at your so you tell me. On two for fear, or you know, Dawachi, or Timia, on 2 for. Now, you had to be on the bar, make chance of a sound swab about Toma. Call the one somewhere gooming, I go on, I'm not ding. You can't be your evil, pa, we evil. But I know, one of we are sweating orphanage. Do you do Yamano on the Panan Sanoka? A ya catch him says he can't bow in chain and they are the call. Brother Papa, the analysis. Never account. Mo group na mo tie na mo say illegal thing no. E be be denti na gu e yesika samuti. Afi na mo digi contribution me boa. Kwa mo na man for man kan. E dey na man kan whatsapp page ni so. Honorable courage about to be defending no. Aba be ja say ona be 224 so sa. E na ha na dey na 24 na why. Oh, in what capacity do you have? Or are you in? So we be come on. Master, forget about yourself. Muntie no. Be ho no mo di Jimmy no asa akwa akuduru. Nti omo ewo TikTok na omo ye bibi e okra so wagimi eso Jimmy for so okra so wagimi o so obi agimi ba o so Jimmy for so eya wate wo platform adi udi ato so e di musika wo YouTube and Facebook. Come on my brother, let's be honest. We say o papa sinto fa beto o papa wo yire mo say o ba ko pe won ye fa so o ba ko Uma mo onye bone da. Eya fon so beto social media ni discuss. Ka ba tanu akase nne ma ba wura ko no ba busie no ofa bi. Ye fa no ofa ko nyam. O ye ko winse ni obo de da gotam nti ye be analysis wan ho. Eno so maga na nkoso ana wuni. A 24 ni maga na nkoso. Ba wo ofa bi susu ban so. A o timi no mo nsa etwa ne to. A o gotam no. Eno so maga na nkoso my brother. Let's be honest. Mani sound but usu eno ban bia wo ye e ma bo say wo tan na me adwuma wo kasa te say wo do na me adwuma be say na me adwuma koso ba wo tan na me adwuma muntie no tif ama youth na ti ma hye bibi wo ho no ensamfo na no mudi e wo Facebook ni YouTube ni ade no ni TV enye bone a asofo ni ko YouTube ade papa be na na ekoso e wo TikTok ti ase no kanu TikTok na emrante ne mabawa ni joma ni kakra wo ho no asofo na ko no mekwa before na asofo na ko TikTok no e dey me papa ne na ekoso ho ensamfo we see na TikTok e bi na egu eti ade papa be na what TikTok asofo akwa say say the time na what time asofo a social media Facebook wa wan ade papa be na wa wo na bruse pepepe. But because who person who paint yourself one black into no, what crafting the camera, and different who camera. And the papa ben a course what TikTok catch me. Ekuonaba can you back up? A course what TikTok I had papa. Almost answer the atwa youth no a TikTok and a omako to us be Jimmy so elho. If you are branding now or TikTok no Jimmy or can in ceremony and the idea said the okay can in semi. At the end of the day, no match no call away, no Ghana elusuye, BBN we see and call for so GD, Uko page in Asia, go to spiritual children's no home, mamma dada phone, or matabo Munguasian, no more type, man of God, we love you, you are man of God, you are dear, oh, that's our concert, no, not a coso, page in so, and that's so air coso, any asem ketona, but you could be do the buyer, didn't come by name called Fokra air channel. We didn't kind of a 12 say, Ghana is already in the next round. Or enkom shebu ho ma shisha mitimi kire dem na mo no munim bible mu nsem wana
from Genesis to Revelation say me be be wo hui muntimi nya bi nka nkyere mu nkofo no mo nsa kire o madwene
big problem ne say there ya so for the kan say me wo Genesis to Revelation no eya wo fa bi betra wo kasa so fu ya wo kan na sami ene so fu be diku bi Sunday bia na nya bon kwa no mo kawo ba me menyim die kwase ya bibisa wo no say there is a woman so preaching no eya wo de betra wo kan na I don't know what you my dear uncle in the bar, no affair. I saw for us a ball. When down comes, say, stop it. Oh, a postman poke that don't want a year dear Muslim or Cabo Asemco to make us a way young commission. I am adventure. Oh, come on, I can more haggling. So for no preach you, so for be could be preach you. What for the preaching that? I know who won't pay. And I make us so preaching kwa Ekuonaba won't aduane ni on YouTube. What question the never pass. Family be this one and also si boy. And is on no be there be. Just somebody could be kind also on what do. Or no. What da kura he ne commission no say fair mu, say fair slow. Say fast you, say fair to wada. Spiritual children's now kind oh papa penny to me to say what we call spiritual children's. Almost so no amanda to your support the say. Oh how they say na wishing what money and the saying say no so a come that do now pay bia dey do YouTuber can we so fa obey. Me say Ghana be winning na Ghana lose baba. Minister neighbor Udemunti Ekuonaba why wado Udemunti
they are nem commission basa left and right in same
sana de Ekuonaba
yintin semu abedu kobi ebeka ye fa boy omkoboy hu nyankopon te na hingwam atima se na daje edwene Ghana Black Star football hu yintin bedu kobi semu o se ode ma ono an church members say yintin semu ode etuda
the first match was not for them but for this tournament. The Black Stars will do better. So for anybody who has lost hope, watch your nation rise and rise.
Papa is saying Christ was a wolf. We in Christ or saying cry. Eko Misrel. Me den ka mini problem on ka be papa be duku bi pe ene sofo die na okasa ya ka me mfa but first of all usman pam be fra. Why do you attach an innocent man to somebody's mess? Why do you hate the man like that? Papa is saying cry say you na yema yakoma ento yem emre papa nam kwa so ba o so nti ase ye nya odai enye na wonye bia uti YouTube okay. Time of second one, but once a Bigscout they got 20 pages, so and the papa be do could to us say the original nation prophet. Well, Tieno.
In fact, the country that's trying to take the cup, from Africa, is the Black Stars. In terms of World Cup. Now, why is it that things are going to change for them? Their coach is not the. I told you some few days ago that their coach, after winning for them, taking them to the World Cup, should have exited. One thing, it is not he. And you know who made the Black Stars do well. Rather, the atmosphere is turning for Ghana.
Don't say, I don't want to go there. But you find it the man penny for. That is what I can say. I saw for be almost say I say. Omoko habra so for no. Omo so mo bia ni asem omo ye neutral. Enso mo fu no mo na omo no bia ni asem so mo ne nkofo wasem. Me dey make no crack am a. Bebre on ma mo kan mo kan do and return back to your root where your blessing is, because mo the disgrace abre fathers. I'm speaking the honest truth. from the church perspective. I'm telling you the honest truth. May I respect every man of God. I love Prophet Bedukubi as a not as anything, but as a ministerial figure, because Oboy Badidin or Enyami Ejuma from the own perspective. But baby, I felt a sense of competition. I saw that post on my Mingege's page. Video, no? Because I was looking for that video myself. So anytime I'm in the program, I know shame come about election. Efa Ghana. Our cast won't say John Muhammad winning. Any prophet that will say I feel now buff for Kwakoye meeting biano a yatro. Sometimes not so force me pankwano D4. Tio. What shame come say oh say. A Jai Abraham and Unyamia bofo a decided no baba be chenny po be winning. Oba was not another danko kufad be winning. The same thing okay about Trump. But so for Bedukubi a botugui. A can I say? So for be obeka say afe na bofo ko ye meeting bia no oboa. E wona so dem. Bi wona papa ben pan kasentia won kom sheda. E se wudi ho abra wo tan yem. E jabe koswa yija na e babe koswa yeba. E fa woni senya akoda be yire no ho one papa ye tintin a enye peda. Send them maybe so for before can say nipa will be one other as a dine bone. The old fan say Jan and Cassentiano. Maybe this is my humble advice. Because Obio Mr. Dibion said from that time, in Yama the kind of wind are a blow, Papa, Bedu could be the prophetic ministrations, and then the utterances like Ayani is strange. As a card not done. Obi crosses or catch us obi woo, not as obi yankwa, or Casso be yankwa, January be woo. And say Bishram and so in Tias English. Before God, fathers are always right. I don't support Ekuonaba for him to ridicule your prophecy because of the facts a message. But again, I don't support it. Say, as somebody you called a father and can maybe a dream, ube rubbish the prophetic word off. Say, Obi Obeka sa bofo ko meeting biano boa. Na what kasa sa nebeye. Sabi, a gentleman casabe dream one more fraka or manutu. Yani yama kwamba a yasifubi to say Ekuonaba. A gentleman ne a yefem a wundipem. Because we Elijah and Elisha yet they are on to me Elijah and yet peda. Adia would wa who no upa party will be. Adia touch him on the judgment a honor and loyalty. Tia so phobi and almost shassie. And I know Bia was some ye, Mako and Nasum Diaba, or what is on your nepa some ye, or no sooner the confusion at was of one time. Say as of war. A bobo ni panel, and do mo baby say, you could so phobia any more say. Thank God, some boys in the Bian sound. Almost some of my man conform you so be. We thank God. No being cast a production. Na share will be a better job. I say, it's strange. It's strange. From that time, honestly speaking, I'm speaking from my heart, but that is the truth. People try hard to recommend him. But the wind and the blow around the prophetic ministry is too much. Papa Usubempa, what counsel for our father and answer that. Obi no more will be denying from Prophet Victor Kosibuating, Bishop Sally from Wako. Omo bubo mudi na obi no will be a bekasa papa no boada. Omo nyame nam ne so impact prophetic grace more. Yeah? There a burden pie bo be no, e ja de kasa binya. I always say this, that God will not bypass fathers to honor the words of sons. So in comfort the need the man juma any day juma e be gina yeso. So me wasem ka na eja kwesi be ba be kasa obedwemu wasem be kama no tum. So mo bibi ka na fa bedwamu nsam na o ma nsam a me ka gumi papa so me kan go o man na so. Cause nipa was o kasa go o man na so e yeja enya me ya oba. So song speaks to the ears of the fathers, and the father speaks to the ears of the nation. To Nyame on raise more than one prophet in a dispensation. The unnecessary competition is too much. You're too jamwa for no, you're too crash for.
It's turning gradually. And people will be surprised. Is this Ghana? It's not him. If it was him, they will come home quick. It is the atmosphere. It is gradually turning for Ghana. And as it moves, Ghana knows something to do. The next thing you'll see that they are by the cup. But for nothing, they don't know. And they are too low. So we will not ask a prophet. So let's leave them.
Obi be very sensitive comment about. And now come we smart. I say remember Prophet Ajiman Prempe kept mute about this same prophecy from Ejabempa when asked by Adom Ochre on Good Evening Ghana. And Ajingo was very smart. Okoshem come said John Mahaba be winning. Papa na say enkom hye no obetu mi ahye. Na de ye beye wo dem de adane enkom hye no ebia na bunim. Obekaya the following week Ajiman Prempe was supposed to go on that program. Wanko Ejabempa na koe. Yebisa, look at how he defended the banner. But something can be done to change it. Yebisa Jakwesi no say Ajiman ko program. And Papa can say Ajiman ya me back. Men are bringing it up in ministry. Also, whom say Papa John Dramani was very far. But me did you did for Akwesi also be me say. Na abudan ko kufado ebi win election. From that day man say Ajiman Prempe be kasa bim. That is the respect you can give to a father. Don't challenge your father publicly. Na me be go anymore say. Men can say na me go suffer bedu kubenu go say no. But young up and coming generation, let's learn this. So for me wa ha me wa. So for me kwa. So for me na me pass um diama so for. You are a blatant liar. Wa funti na wonam. Tu di baby we an aboa kokko. Odu anu twitwi fam. Jai sadie no. Na so die mra so for ntem why? Oko anu akoka ndi fe, oba anu aka ndi fe. Uso na pass um die. Obi aso nim se wona won pass um die. E too much. Yingshia sadie. Me wi am the last request beto na na dan kweko for adwenim. Ni akoye ni enko.
To cross from this moment going. They'll go further. They'll do better. Clap your hands for Jesus.
Where Ekuonaba assessment?
The Vimbas TV show.
Now I had a two men sunu you know. Ekuonaba what prophet be do could be video. What was of be video. What most of us spend video I was sharing come from born. Munti no.
And then I was waiting for him to draft it and bring it back to me. Then the church of the we post. And send it that. In the midst of the day.
So for no make aside. We nye papa. And I we nye say. And I we be a me nye find that. And I want me nye find that. Meanwhile, ene. All the sound of phone in a good status. You are a demon. We are bring some keke. Me say obi bia. O kase tia so for usman pass say. Dipano, ye di be blackmailing. I'm telling the honest truth. And then ye di be Taiwan. They are being blackmailed with something. I'm telling the truth. And you mania, Tieno.
I was checking if this man starts, who is going to counter? Who is going to see something? When you are a prophet, listen to me. There's some.
We are professor. And I make a conform me adwene kese but enya me problem. Omunya prophet. We dey wan kasa check Bible mu professor o Bible mu no. Wan kasa o minim se obetima ho na biche. Check professor o Bible for mu din bra never compare professor hu mo Ghana no. Ne hwe adwumadi a omo Bible mu di ye no. Ne hwe adwumadi a we mu so edi no. Ne wan kasa conclude our statement. Professor o Bible mu no omo hye nkomo a utumi se nyansasam nko a.
Ekuonaba. What show or ignorance on with the Bible? When say Ekuonaba Bible, mo prophet be shenkom, so nyame so worry prostitute. Nyansasem. And a prophet no kaso bin ko fa you amra. Ni enfa nchinigu mu ni empoton fengu nso mu ma nso re nye de no. And then asofo osu empa say, call nye de. Enti yenko fa you amra, ni emposa eyi nkyere. Kakani fengu mu na nye da, ka o medi na tem. And na Yesu Kristo na no ye prophet no. Our tia brother for ya nyade bi obi ni no. I was saying not like him anymore. And then they make sense. And now the phone you catch so more naked. And nanti abonting shem kongo minus no. E patron they make sense ana. Hey, prophets all by Muslim come so say na no. Na nyansa sem nko a. I will be to me kase e come beba 3.5 years. And no na nyansa sem won. Ukra won carry Bible. I'm not defending the men of God. But what I'm saying is that you are not in the capacity in order to chastise even the fake men of God. Because you are doing that because of your daily bread. So stop making it look as if you are passionate about the work of God. Who you Ghana for? Who you want to Who even come here and go for sale Bible? And now prophets no shen come says he's still free. We don't matching for that 42 no. And then you answer no. Hey, we can go on and go on and go on. Who made for a shen come? Say aga busumi fa Paul and Kataso ka say wey ama fa ne Kataso no obekwa yeyem yebeku no yebese no say owo nkomhye na so force be basa mo so odi fear and panic e to no so no unim aga bus unim so she Paul bi kone ko bisa and the prophet Nathan small so ko kancho bi so onya ne will na encho bewu wo Ekuonaba na prophet bia ba wonchen aba be catch say ye will for japade chiche encho bewu a enyansa semo enkom shebi no my papa it makes sense because God cannot make sense to you and to himself because what dwere nyame adwere and na nsusu nyame ansusu ye onyame nim de so chen wo de so God cannot make sense to you and himself ejuno se ade ono no enyansa sema no enipa ni so kwase asem te ye kwase asem a so bi show bi nkom so bewu banyame mo no nim se nipa no divine assignment entini wan hye nkom so bewu no owu a ebe se wo nyame purpose no will e was asu we so my brother go and read your Bible well me ma homework go read the Bible from Genesis to Revelation man nkom hye baako 10 out of all the books in the Bible eye nkom hye ba ya na nkom hye papa wo ni Bible okọ asori wen 182 nyame sum why and to him said D for him say nyame bi to osoro him say ye won kom hye papa wo ho and na mo form group say mo be to Ghana sofo so atua asa wo mo se ye for mo to prison na be ma wo ani age you have a serpentine spirit YouTube the you feel and I go for the bedroom to me because some feel say you are passionate about it say me car muntie say a D for na papa who be a D for na ye the D for na ye no why you mukota and go for a D for na so mo nya papa na boa no what you bua mu half what bua mu kota kra when we raising in ministry in life somebody could be now can ask kwa na nipa wa hwenu hebi or you feel relevant chair me no cry ba ko pe and the office only impact. But looking at when he started the way he has gotten to our impact chair. So no crime because our impact chair. How much more so from penny for? And you have ministered without blemish, said prophet as a ghost member. Chairman comes out to a panel. And confirm doctored one, and the captain pays to. And then be and I make her. Say maybe now chatter me bois. And maybe send a person about Pacasa. Me bois, the catcher say me bois. Into me because you know it's true. And maybe no be a Casason country, papa say, now mammy is serious follower of papa. But because of YouTube coins in Telemon cannot pray. Be a cancer.
Prophecy, I'm when your mamma from muscle for more Ghana and more sumo. Or more shame come what Mrs. Sebi, Jimmy Samqua.
Look at that. Oh, more dear. Or cassette time. The cabin chairman was a papa, I organize a small boys of Moody attend. A different ye Jimmy for. Oh, papa way. Ekuonaba. You don't want to be a brabo. Ensa ho betua. The young prophet be a yan. E bi kwana e bia. Manu de smina so. Yen to me for papa the entoto. And on na the entoto. But also a Jimmy or me Jimmy for uncle. Massa shall kasa you. Me de me too for a young man. Me yesos when you chen bibri. But shall kasa ye pa. Because you say a total hypocrite. What do you have to you to go so pesca? As of 1 year for now a day. The autochrono, dear Everton when you scanner, or a down your convo. Se so for the conform wa betan sen contra also atatro and I wo ya atro ho assessment e dia peske gu botom also onye kronfo you are equally a criminal and I jagraja you say and I you say and I we papa wa mo papa so do mo to social media assessment wo dey free if you are passionate enough you decide any free YouTube take money out of it you say what kind of correct. As far as I'm concerned, we are criticizing any government official. I will just go to YouTube. I will press scanner. You are not honest because I mean YouTube monetization. Mini. So when I'm speaking to it, I speak it with power and strength. Sikebi and Tenchi. Now who say so for no? Who say a man penny for no? Who say a good family a crown for? Meanwhile, who did not go to YouTube and a crown for? Who did not? Also a crown for. You are equally a criminal. Who are crown for? I'm empowered. I'm empowered. BBR. Me kan wasemana me kan mi nya bi free na wo de no na wo so didi wo he wo busia on the crowd you are equally a criminal come answer akwani kutade awie wakowia na me ma be fa me say ade no wi aye me be ya assessment ama me so be dia pesca free ade no mo nya crowd you are a criminal yourself. Some say he that sees equity must come with clean hands. Equity demands equity. Tieno
utie se mo ka uti say emfa kwan mu ti say nyansa semba ko kura nim.
Look at that.
Prophet awa be gina wona so ye prophet o. Wa be gina wo be kan sem afa nkofo abrabo ho akire wa church members no. Ghana Black Star match. Church member no to one obeto collection e fa no me.
I don't blame you on this. I don't blame
you. No pa aba betan wa so dem be pe nkwaje asemati. Ghana Black Stars and I would the age sending Komaka
Sunday or so for Bedu could be can quite yassem. So for us, Papa can quite yassem. Me frère, this guy, a cat was a so for us, Pay, you may be bria a fair. A shady pen munyam will be a hospital or ankafo or call cantonment prisons. Wako, I could be a borehole. O catch him some main fan your man in Sendo. Na can want some more platforms, okay. Okay, be that. Okay, be that because I know the better YouTuber who yeska. Kronfo. I don't know be anhwe. I don't ever views in ma. But ye who need the time a fast so for no. And now be ka obenyiska. Onso so ni asofo e kontokwa. Rebe no go phone free nya monya papa. Onu so na wo ni didi o YouTube. Nto ye correct. Wo na also be nya correct, wo ye correct. Ade na me di nya papa. And no me send one from the social media can wasem. Ah, papa could be a boho. We see hospital ama ankafu prison, cantonment prisons. Time near year COVID time. If you are not change now, the better platform so can be that. Say yeah, me so for spend pennies so for so where they are there. Who can be that? Jabo painting you can't appreciate. So okay, me so be here. The only thing you can do is to flip over, and you are equally diabolic. You don't stand the test of time to make people feel so be papa because you won't papa. Tiano.
What's the bone mama washing trosa and be a bishia entro? Be anywhere. Unyais and commission, I'm Kenyan coupon quite young was a mention go for Gaga.
And quite just
a pretty salvation, Babumwana. So Mussolini no Panasa Musuki, and any pretty salvation. Me pacho Ubibabuana.
Yeah, Obiamo. But who knows one pet salvation? No patron comes into the most amount. Pet salvation, no. Ko kaupe salvation, kawaka salvation, no was a more platform. Ko enye bon kwa mo se o ma so demu. O mo se nkofo nko mani bem, but who you share no meka awasem. Eko. Who you hypocrite? You are trying to be clean, but you are not clean. Me we papa America, we boni America, sana metie. I don't only know how to appreciate people, but I also criticize. I don't only criticize people, I appreciate. They intertwine. Do you know?
Muntia says a munya prophet be. Muntia say that. Munya prophet. And you won't want Mutoso. Munya prophet to be any Ghana who.
Prophet be any Ghana
to be any. Wo, Najegezi, Bedukobi, Pambo,
Najegezi was sent come for bone. Or Pambo was sent come for bone. Your hatred for men of God in general, time, Ekuonaba, or monster of Didi. Tieno.
Even say, Obinim, or both of guys from the Monkankra. Even say, Uzbempa, Salif from Wako. Manya prophet.
O muade. O muade. Send your coffee say muade and sana o muade. But you know Bushia. Akasa wie. You don't know why? So who know you know ma? So you don't know what no one two for oba two kunufu to Ekuonaba for why? 24. So the D4 in your papa no so mon kopɛ adwuma ye no. Sa no so betumi akopɛ adwuma papa ye. Enya YouTube in kwan the feed nipa. Nya YouTube in kwan the feed nipa. Why? So for spend pound be shen kom no abebody din. Omo ma shen kom no. Sa wo kom asema betumi aka enum pon me say wo ni right. You are not in the capacity to judge them because on your papa. And yes, I let them be. There were many microphone now. Now be correct microphone. But also be correct so dia. And no more masala bomudin. Ne job more makano. Cause so for spend pon be sell papa no mama come. And no mama can't show mama no papa no niya masa on physical man. So for spend papa betu obushi ni bisika. I also mo ya kronfo. No mo ya Jimmy for. And I bet Jimmy will wish you any. Let's respect each other, my friend. Why? Your friend did my young. You ain't to me in Chawas as we so. You ain't to me queen. Me, I dare minimum you mean Cassentia. Send out board in the crown or buff war or binimo Usubempa or Pam war. To say, oh, bomudin resa. We move back on or do comfort source and an amateur. The Ben amateur as a car conform was them. Who's wrong? But I saw for the woman, right? Unka saw for beyond was and papa da. Mammy been another in the better platform, so no see young castle by Ivana or the idea to chill to be also to also Kenya. Many some coming out platform so da. Cobabia, you didn't go as of when you must mean could not send preachy. Now, the such as on no DNA, right? And you cannot say camouflage. What legal team? Say yempa legal means and fast off one to prison and it sells. When to me, I become one that. Later, you were threatening them with a lawsuit. Say, Modi will pay, you know, I'm a CID penny for to investigate. Why become one sem? Why a born in child? A tear from the Bubesia, in Bessame Boatoso.
Prophet to be any Ghana who?
Yati. And will be a cow, or simply a backup upon one sem. Backup papa. Besia. Brother backup papa, you know papa, a call. Father papa betray never come upon one sem. So papa so your shop for me. I saw for not to someone papa. Until papa so and no mammy no bushia for more. Ekuonaba bushia or how be anyone. Namijuma, a safo, a yiku, papa woman a bonny woman. A jai born in Yana Becca, papa no Yana Becca. And it's also can be honest enough, declare your family, declare the negativity in it, declare the positivity in it. O crown no yere kwan ka betra social media so neka nyewu so ye honest na no oba na di mo kubo tim na beka so de bia boda so de pem ano so asa beka atmasi and na be mi se o ye honest
well abusuan so yes na na do Berchie na wasoja watoto bia de mane Ekuonaba ana chese Bigscout so eje ne de kakara e won chen I hope say ohun nsem na esi ekoye no me show me a subscribe to me abo na won chen like video na feature wadwen or comment section na bia enye kama na na do Berchie was on twe mo bia emfa Reverend Usubempa enim enne from to ba social media no so na obesoritia Reverend Usubempa na do Berchie e be sorry ejina na ono odi a face wo social media no so pa enya sam keto anti abusia nsem na yekoti ba me show sedem di kan me subscribe to no yes nyakopon show no nyo kese so wo jimbre na hwe inside GH TV macro